What do we have here?
Looks like someone didn't know how to trim their crepe myrtle tree.
Inappropriately trimming a crepe myrtle looks more like crepe murder to me.
Hi, I'm Ken Aikens. I'm the horticulturist with the city of Tampa, and today we're going to show you how to properly prune branches from a crepe myrtle. So in late winter, you want to cut anything that is crossing or growing together within the tree. Your best bet is to cut where the branch bark collar, which is this area here, you want to cut in those locations. Some of the smaller ones in the tree will just naturally die, so you won't need to trim these, or you can just simply trim off the small ones that are dead. As far as a branch that may be too large for loppers, you can use the 3-cut method to remove the branch, which we will link below. And the crepe myrtle behind me is perfectly fine and what you actually want your crepe myrtle to look like. There's no need to murder the crepe myrtles by simply topping them off. Properly pruning up the centers and anything crossing is all that's needed.